Welcome back everyone to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is our paint through video for A Song of Ice and Fire tabletop miniature game Tully Sworn Shields. We've done the Tully Cavaliers, so we're really going all in on the Stark sort of subunits of Tully. I got a broken sword here. I'm just going to rubber cement that in. And we're going to get these primed. I'm actually going to prime them with a silver. We're going to kind of go for these Paladin, the old Excalibur movie, shiny plate mail. And then we're going to use the similar colors that we used with the Tully Cavaliers for the banners. We can use that as a kind of painting guide. But it's basically the red, blues, and whites with the fish banner. Something like these that we've got on our old minis. Yeah, so looking forward to painting these. We'll get them zenithal primed, and we'll see you later in the paint through. Thanks for watching. Okay, we've got these sprayed up. I'm going to start putting some coats of the red and blues. I think we'll start with the blue first. We'll also get some face paint on these. We'll get the initial base coat on, and then we'll start hitting some highlights. So we'll see you in a bit as we get through the paint through. Okay, we've got a decent base coat on these. We've got the faces painted. We'll have a quick word from this channel's sponsor. Then we'll come back to do the packs and the belts. We'll get some washes on the minis, and then we'll fly out with the hero shots. So see you in a bit. Pontus Fathom Hobbies is brought to you by the books that we produce. We've got a bookstore link down in the description where you can pick up books like The Genealogy of Cthulhu, Hermeticism of Hastur, and The Necromancy of Nyarlathotep, 3 of the 6 volumes of the Catu Journals out of Lovecraft's Providence. We've also got the Esoteric Saturn Mysteries, Esoteric Dragon Mysteries, and our study of anthroposophy in occulted history with articles on Tolkien. Finally, we've got the newest offering, Alchemical Courtship in the Dreamlands, each volume taking place in another one of H.P. Lovecraft's dreamland cities, Aimless in the city of Cellophase, Hope's Home in Dalathleen, and Stubborn Devotions in Ruined Throng with the Temple of Hypnos. Now back to our gameplay. Going to wrap it up for the video. I really like how these came out, and really thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. Looking forward to getting them on the tabletop. If you subscribe, ring the bell, you'll get notified with our next A Song of Ice and Fire gameplay. Go check out our bookstore, it helps to support the channel, and we'll see you on the tabletop. Bye bye.